Hello? Guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. Welcome to my channel Wellbeing Navigator. Today we are talking about the most common problem, weight loss. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Actually, most of the people want to reduce their weight. That's why they are doing some kind of acts to reduce their body fat. But they not. Here important thing is not only exercise and diet, also taking good supplement for weight loss is important. There is many products in market for weight gain as well as weight loss also. But the point is how to find best weight loss product. You don't worry, that's why we are here. We are tell you today on Words 30 Days, the best natural weight loss product. Those are scientifically proved products, and completely natural product, no side effects. Are you tired of sifting through endless options, wondering which weight loss products actually deliver on their promises? Look no further. As someone deeply invested in health and wellness for over a decade, I've explored countless solutions to help individuals achieve their weight loss goals. Through extensive research and personal experience, I've identified a selection of natural weight loss products that stand out from the crowd. In today's fast-paced world, finding time for proper diet and exercise can be challenging. That's where these products come in, offering support and assistance on your weight loss journey without compromising your health. From metabolism boosters to appetite suppressants, these natural supplements harness the power of science and nature to help you shed those stubborn pounds. But before we delve into the specifics, let's address the elephant in the room. The term weight loss product often carries a stigma, conjuring images of dubious pills and fad diets. However, the products I'm about to introduce are not quick fixes or miracle cures. Instead, they are carefully formulated supplements backed by scientific research and designed to complement a healthy lifestyle. In this guide, I'll walk you through the benefits of natural weight loss products, what sets them apart from their synthetic counterparts, and how to incorporate them into your routine for maximum effectiveness. Whether you're looking to kickstart your weight loss journey or overcome a plateau, these products offer a safe and sustainable solution. Join me as we explore the world of natural weight loss products and unlock the secrets to achieving your health and fitness goals. It's time to take control of your wellness journey and discover the transformative power of these remarkable supplements. Join with us 30 Days Best Natural Weight Loss Product Challenge. We believe you guys, you are follow this series and change your life. That's all for this video. Thank you so much watching this video. If you love this video, like, share, subscribe the channel. We will meet with another video. Until then, love you.